Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get a Wise account and use it to receive money globally. To create a Wise account, you need a name, an email address, and a password. First of all, you go to register if you don't have an account. If you have an account, you go to login. So I'll go to register for the purpose of this video. Okay, so I enter in my email address, and then I'll say next. Okay, so it says that this email has already been used, so I'm going to use a different email account. So it will tell you to choose either a business account or a personal account. So I'll choose a personal account, and then you select your country. I'm in Ghana, so I'll select Ghana, and then it will tell you to enter your phone number. I'll enter my phone number, and then I'll send a verification. The last process is to put in your password, and then that's it. I don't want to use this account to register for Wise again. So after everything, after you are done with the password, you would be turned back to the login area where you use your email address and then the password. So I'll enter my email address. And then my password. Okay, so I'm now getting signed in. After you're done with everything, because for this I'm using it with my phone as well, so it's requesting for, it's a two-factor authentication, so I have to grant access to the web in order to start working. So I'll go to my Wise account on my phone. My Wise account, that's my name, and then that's the detail. So I've done some transactions here on my Wise account. So that is how simple you can create a Wise account. As you can see, my account is being verified. If you want to verify your account, you go to here, and then you select your settings, and then it will take you to this page. If you want to add a bank card, you add a bank card, that is a Visa or MasterCard. Then your email, it will send an email to your account, and then you need to verify it from your email account, and then you need to also do the two-way verification, that is set the two-way verification. And then yeah, I think that's so. When you are done with this, it would provide you with the verification sign, and then it will say that you are verified. With business account, you need to provide your business statement, and then your business registration document, so that they verify it, and then they make you a certified merchant for to transact any business. As I said earlier, Wise allows you to hold over 50 currencies to do business with. So on my account, I have the Australian dollar, I have the British pound, I have the Ghana cedis, I have the Ugandan shilling, I have the US dollar, and then yes, that is the only account I've opened. And I have some transactions here, and then these are probably the, yeah, and I have the rate, the bank rate, the exchange rate they are giving me. So now they are saying, as of today, they are saying it's $1 is equal to 11.66 Ghana cedis. Yes, so that is it. If you want to send money to anyone, you would need to load your account. So if you want to load your account, I don't know which account you'll be opening, but then let's say I want to load my my US dollar account so that I do transact worldwide. Yeah, so when I click on my US account, I'll just click here to say add. Yes, so I'll just select an amount that I would want to add. That is, let's say I want to add about $10. Okay, so I'll click on continue. Yeah, so it will tell me that I need to select one of these ways of payment. So we have the wise transfer, that is, it charges, the fee is $3.5 to USD. The debit card, that is 0.14, the credit card, that is 0.43, and then the international wire, that is the same as the wire transfer. It gives us this rate. Yes, so that means if I'm transferring $10 to anyone, I would have to pay an extra 3.5 to for the charges. That is, I see it to be quite okay, considering other platform charges. So it should arrive in, it says it should arrive in 1 hour. That is, I'm loading my account. It should arrive in 1 hour, but actually it takes less than an hour to do that. So now I would, when I initiate a transaction, I'll just receive it into my account, and then yes, that is it. If you want to also receive money, you can click here, and then you can request for payment from someone. So if I click here, request payment from someone, and then I'll set maybe $10, and then I'll create a payment link, and then I'll share this link to anyone, to the person I want to receive that money from, and then he uses that account to pay me. I think this is quite very innovative. Yes, also you can receive amount, you can receive any amount by searching for the person who you want to receive the amount from, where you go to search by email, and then you search the person by email. So you go to recipients. If you want to send anyone money, you go to recipient, and then you say add recipient. So add recipient, you can choose either Ghana cedi or any amount, any currency that you want. For the purpose of this video, I'm using the USD because that is an international currency. So okay, that's it. So for personal, so I'll search by email. As I said, I can search by email. So I can search people by email, and then I can use the ACH account, the wire account, or the Swift account to transfer to them. If you are in Ghana or any African country, you can add your mobile money account to it. So if you are in Ghana, if you select this, it will take you to mobile money, and then you enter your mobile money account. If you have a local bank account, you enter your local bank account, and then you are good to go. You can receive money into it. You can send money from your bank. You can send money from Wise to any other person around the world. I have to caution you that you can only send $1 million from your Wise account to any other person. You can only send $1 million from your Wise account to any other person. They also have a card that you can use to transact business, but currently at my location, I'm not. It has not gotten to my location yet. And if you want to earn more, you probably have to invite more friends to join using your Wise link, invitation link. So Yeah. So one amazing thing about Wise is that it provides you with your bank account statements. So it provides you with your bank statement. If you want to use it for travel or anything, you can come here and then you say statement or report, and then you can select in USD. Most of my transactions are in USD, so I'll select it, and then the date I'll say 2021, and then from January. Yes. Okay, so it's saying that it's too long, so I'll just select 2022 January. Let's see if it still says it's too long. Oh, it's too long. So let me see. Okay, so let me say January. So in Ugandan shilling. Yeah. So you click download, and then I'll enter my password, and then done. Okay, so it has generated a report here. Yes, so I'm good to go. So that is how you use your Wise account. So that's how you use your Wise account. You have all the notification here. Also, you can schedule transfer of money. You can also do your conversions here, auto conversions. You can create auto conversions so that anyone who sends you money in a particular currency, it will just automatically convert it for you. But this conversion comes with a fee, so I don't recommend you to do that. The best thing you can do is to, if you want to do your conversion, the best thing is to come here, and then you come to Wise main website, and then you do your conversion here. So I can change this currency to maybe the Ghana cedi. Wow, cannot find it. Wow, so let's select this, and then let's see what this also provides us. Okay, so I would want to change it to Ghana cedi. So yes, so I want to change maybe 10 USD to Ghana cedis. So you see that I've gotten there. So this one, it converts it for me. It shows me if I purchase this is the amount I'm going to get in my account. Yes, which is kind of cool than using this area to do your conversion where you'll be charged the amount. And also, Wise have been reviewed by a lot of people, so it's a legit company that would support you with all your international transactions. If you're a startup, you can trust Wise to help you transact business worldwide. So the review of Wise, yes, so you can see that it's 4.4, which is very good. That is 84% of people who recommend you to use Wise. So that is it. You go through all of these, and then you know that Wise is very legit, and then they will not take your money away. Yes, so you can transact business worldwide, and then you can make money worldwide through Wise account. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next one.